In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create a survey using Surveymonkey. Whether you're new to online surveys or looking to refine your technique, this guide will walk you through the steps for creating a well-crafted survey that will gather the insights you need. First, we'll begin on a familiar platform, Google. Open your web browser and head over to Google. This is where we'll initiate our search for Surveymonkey. In the search bar, type in Surveymonkey to quickly find the Surveymonkey website. As you do this, keep in mind that using Google is a quick and efficient way to locate the exact website you need amidst the vast array of online resources. Once you see the search results, you should find Surveymonkey, the world's most popular survey platform, among the top choices. Go ahead and click on that link, which will take you directly to the Surveymonkey homepage. Upon arriving at the site, the next step is to log in. Click on the Log In option, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, and you'll be ready to start creating your survey. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can manage all your projects. Here, you'll want to click on Create Survey. This is your gateway to crafting customized surveys that align with your objectives. Surveymonkey offers a variety of options to start with, and one of them is selecting a popular template. Click on Pick a Popular Template. This decision depends on whether you're looking for convenience or total customization. Templates can save you significant time while offering professionally structured questions relevant to common purposes like customer feedback. For this tutorial, let's choose the Customer Satisfaction template. Clicking on this option will present you with a ready-made template tailored to gathering valuable customer insights. A template like this can be an excellent choice if you're focused on understanding customer satisfaction and making data-driven improvements. Once you've selected the template, you'll need to click on Use this template to begin editing. Surveymonkey provides a user-friendly drag and drop editor, allowing you to add different types of questions such as multiple choice, rating scales, or open-ended text boxes. Always strive to keep your questions concise and clear, as this will encourage more accurate and honest responses from your participants. To give your survey a professional touch, consider branding it with your logo, brand colors, and fonts. This not only adds credibility, but also aligns the survey with your overall brand identity. Before sending out your survey, it's crucial to preview it. Click on Preview Survey to see how it will appear to respondents. This is your chance to ensure everything looks perfect and flows well from beginning to end. And there you have it. You've successfully created a survey in Surveymonkey, ready to be distributed to your target audience for insightful feedback.